Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Archi-Kawaii, where I teach you all the latest news on architecture and interior design. This time I'm going to show you how you can place your new or old furnitures into your space for free using AI, so stay tuned. So first things first is that I'm going to go Wayfair website and try to search for the furnitures I want to place in my room. So I'm going to type bedroom set in the search bar. And look for some beds, preferably a farmhouse-looking bed. So after you choose your furniture, click on Save. To save it to your laptop. I'm also going to look for a dresser to go along with it and repeat same process. Now it's time to let the AI do its magic. We will have to go to this website called img2go.com in order to remove the background of those images that we just downloaded. Once you're in, you upload those images, then hit Start button. You wait a couple of minutes, then you can download it again. Only this time, those images have no background, which is what we want. So after you save those images, the last step is to go to photopea.com. It's a free online website that is similar to Photoshop, only this one is online based and totally free. Once you're in the website, create a new file. Click on File to place your space image, then click on Open and Place, find your space image in your folder, then double-click on it. You can drag up and down in order to scale your image and press OK when you find the right size. Repeat same process for other furniture images that we downloaded without background earlier on. Let's do the dresser image this time. Go to File, Open and Place, then after placing it, you can drag up and down in order to scale your image and press OK when you find the right size. Now notice that the dresser has a different perspective than our actual room, so the way to do it is to go to Edit, click on Transform, then click on Perspective. This will allow us to play with those white buttons to find the right perspective for our image. Just play around with it until you find the perfect size and perspective that aligns with your wall. And there you have it, your furniture placed into your room video. Please leave us a comment below if you have any questions or want us to create new content to teach you on how to use AI to decorate or plan yourself. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you in another video.